What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. Now, at some point, this thing will be used at some point this year for 2025, it will definitely get used at some point this year because I do like this push washer. It looks pretty cool on my hand. But I'm really hoping some point this year will get used this year for 2025, which I'm hoping it will get used at some point this year for 2025, which I promise you this thing will get used at some point. You can see because this is a 2024 model, so this thing came out like last year. You can see, but this in November, which is something to expect this thing, which I know some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025, which it will get used at some point this year because because I expected this thing you can see because it will get used again at some point this year because it will get used at some point because you know how expected this thing that you can see because I still don't know what the eagle button even does exactly yet because I don't even know what that does yet because I think it's probably going to change the mode as you can see it. Okay, so I don't know exactly which it will get used at some point this weekend. I'm hoping this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend or January or July. I don't know exactly which I hope at some point because like I said, got this in May, then it got used on Tuesday, Thursday. Well, I think did it was on Monday or Tuesday. I don't remember exactly, but you can see how much expected to think. You can see how much expected. But I'm hoping some point the scene will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which you can see how much expected. But I'm hoping some point the scene will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which because you see how much expected to see, but I hope at some point the scene will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which is I promise you the scene will get used this year for 2025 exactly because it was used since like the beginning. I don't know what the day is exactly, but I hope at some point the scene will get used this year for 2025.